Welcome back to my channel, Pinoy Tina's Journey. Alexa, what are beef liver nutrition facts?
One slice of braised beef liver has 3.6 grams of fat, 3.5 grams of carbohydrates, and 40 grams of water. It also has 269.3 milligrams of cholesterol, 53.7 milligrams of sodium, 0 micrograms of sugar, and 19.8 grams of protein. It has the following portion of the FDA's recommended daily intake for vitamins: 713% of vitamin A, 41% of vitamin B6, 2000% of vitamin B12, 1% of vitamin C, 4.2% of vitamin D, 2% of vitamin E, 2% of vitamin K.
No sweat, Odiba, thanks to my assistant, Alexa. Today we'll be cooking the beef liver, the most nutrient-dense food in the world. So I'm gonna use 2 pounds of this. And before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned. It's kind of messy, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. We're gonna wash that later. So these are the beef liver strips sliced. So we're gonna wash that thoroughly later. Next one, we have the garlic. We have to dice or minced this garlic. I use like 3 cloves of this. And we also have the white onions, so we have to dice or mince this. Don't you know that onions is loaded of health benefits like vitamin C and B6, iron and potassium also. So these are antioxidants also, and loaded with antioxidants, and also preventing and relieving symptoms of cancer, heart disorders, and diabetes. This is a good thing about cooking, so you're learning about the nutrition facts of every ingredient that you are using. And just for the garnishing, we're gonna use half red bell pepper. This is just, just an extra. Strip this. This is how I do my red bell pepper. I like it that way, how to cut it. Just like that. I want it it's kind of small pieces. So this is all what we need for cooking the beef liver. We have to heat a pan we're gonna use olive oil, 2 tablespoons, because later we're gonna add butter on it. So we're just gonna use that. So we will start with garlic. Once the garlic is brown, we're gonna add the onion. It's kind of brown now. The onion. So the color looks perfect. Now we can basically just add the beef liver to it. I just strain it. Mix together, let's try to coat the liver with this onions and garlic for a little bit, and then after that we can add some seasoning on it. whatever, you know, it's how you want it to do it. You know, the process is so basic that you don't need to, you know, be particular about how the process goes. I'm gonna add the butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and I want to add more garlic powder on it. I want it, every time I cook something, I want it garlicky. It's good for the body. And stir, mix together. Yep. You see all those juices coming out from the beef liver? That is, we need all that. So you can put this on a high flame if you want. It's okay. Then we can add 1 cup of water. You know, we have to boil it, bring it to boil. We need it, the beef liver, to be fully cooked. And maybe later we can add some soy sauce on it, just to have that pretty color on the juice. Let's put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Bring it to boil and let's cover it. So this is how we want it. Did you see the juice right there? It's so creamy. I didn't put any flour or something. That's how it really came out, you know. So we want this a little bit tender, and we want it fully cooked. We want to simmer, and we only need a few sauce on it. Looks good. So this is how we want it to be. Now we can put those red bell pepper. Just to have some color with our beef liver. And we can cover it for like 5 minutes and it's gonna be done. And we can actually put a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, just a little, you know, to neutralize. So yeah, beef liver has an impressive nutrition profile. It's amazing. It should be done soon. Please don't forget to comment down below for your suggestions. Now it's ready. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all your support, for your continued support. And here is my beef liver recipe. The most nutrient-dense food in the earth. I hope you're gonna like it. We can put some parsley on top of it. I prefer fresh parsley here. Enjoy and thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time on my next video.